Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use launch control in the 2022 Kia Stinger. I have in front of me here a GT Elite all-wheel drive Scorpion Edition in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay guys, so to start us off, the Stinger has to be prepped for the launch control mode. So to do that, we're going to use the drive mode knob here, and we're going to put the vehicle into sport mode. We're also going to hold the traction control button on the side here until it disables both the traction control and the electronic stability control. And now I'm going to put my left foot on the brake pedal. I'm putting the vehicle into drive, and my left foot is holding the brake pedal down, and then I'm going to press on the gas pedal. As soon as I press on the gas, you'll see the launch control is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the vehicle in park because I'm not doing it right this moment. But then once you're fully ready and your foot is on the gas, you would go ahead and lift your foot off of the brake pedal and off you go. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.